welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is we're gonna make a new unboxing for today, and this is from Timo, right? So we've got right here, we've got this, yes, we've got some new items right here. Is a home or kitchen gadgets or room gadgets, or you can bring it also it anywhere, so travel gadgets, right? So okay, this is new. Okay, this is a new one, so I believe this is the thermal heater, right, for my coffee. So to go, okay, and let's go. And yes, let's go, gonna have to unbox this up, and let's go, gonna check it out, and if it's gonna be working, right? Okay, so okay, here it goes, guys. So here it goes. Let's go, gonna have to unbox this up. Okay, okay, everyone, here we go. So we've got this okay, we've got this right? So gonna have to unbox this up. So let's check it up. What is this? Okay, so yeah, I know already what is this. Okay, so just gonna have to open this up. It's gonna have to check the items. Okay, check the item. Okay, and yes, okay, here it goes. Look at that. So here's a small one, but it is a really good product. All right, so here it goes. We're gonna have to check it. We're gonna have to check it out. Okay, and then here it goes. We've got the thermal heater, and how to use this one, right? So here it goes. We got some, right? Okay, 26 degrees Celsius, so it's cold, right? So let's go, gonna have to open this up. Okay, and yeah, we've got right here is this one. We've got some, yeah, deodorizer. This is not good for, so it is not a USB rechargeable heater, right? So I believe, yes, we've got right here is the for the right? So and then we've got right over here is also a gonna have to take this off first. Okay, is to check this one right here is to check, right? This one is to check how the temperature is, right? So we're gonna have to wait. There's also right over here, and then yes, we've got some, right? And then we've got some, yeah. So this is an insulated thermal for coffee, right? So yes, it is also gonna have to, yeah, you just have to put warm water in here, and then it can, right? So look at that. So okay, yes, yeah, look, yeah, okay, here it goes. Yeah, so yeah, so this is just a normal coffee mug, right? So just in case that I thought this was gonna be a heater for the uh, rechargeable heater, right? So there's no, yeah, there's no cable right over here, and there's no USB port, right? There is no USB port right over here. So this is only a normal coffee mug, right? So this is just only this is just only a coffee mug, right? So an indicator, so to check how the temperature of the water is. So since it is 27, so it is cold inside, right? So I have to check that out, right? So, yeah, it's just an insulated thermal coffee thermal mug, right? So I thought it was the USB rechargeable, right, when I check it in Timo, right? So but but it's still good. So I still love it, even though it is not a rechargeable, because I am looking for a rechargeable heater, right, for coffee. So that's why I have to use it into this room, right? So it's because I don't want to go out in the kitchen to heat it in microwave. So I just wanted to have have that rechargeable so that I can use it in this room, right? So, but I think it's still worth it, right? It's still okay, and I think this is a good one. I think this is a good insulated coffee, or a thermal insulated coffee mug, right? So we got some handle, right? So we got some handle right over there that you can bring it up. So good for picnic, right? So good for bike packing, good for camping also, and also office or work, and also in the house, right? So and this is a good one for you to have this, right? So and also perfect, so it can last up to it can last up to I don't know how many hours, right? it but I think it can last up unto 8 hours of 8 hours of warm, right? So it's because there's an indicator right over here, 27 degrees Celsius, right? So gonna be higher than that. So what is this? So it is Celsius, it's not Fahrenheit, right? So here in USA is Fahrenheit, but it is Celsius, right? So I think that will be good, right? So that will be good. So perfect, and it's also sip, and also you can put some straw in here, right? Okay, and then so really product, really nice product for me to have this one also. Very good, and also yeah, very yeah, it's also heavy, right? So compared to my yes, compared to this one, right? Compared to this one, yeah, this is heavy, right? So this is not so heavy, like this is not so heavy, right? But it's still good, but it's still good for me to have this one, right? And it's also a perfect one, right? Perfect. And it's also yeah, good. This one from Brew, right? But it's also right here is a generic one that has a right, for the warm. Okay, so warm indicator. Okay, so okay, so okay, this is not just full long video, right? But I think it's also a nice one also for me to have this one, so I can bring it anywhere. So I can bring it anywhere. So and also I can check the temperature also, right? I can check the temperature of the coffee inside, or if you want to put some hot water, right? Good, you can put some hot water in here. You can store some hot water. Okay, so okay, I think that's it for this vlog. Okay, so the video is not too long, right? But it's still worth it for me to make an unbox video of it, right? It's because I really needed to, right? So that you can see it, so that you can see the item, and also what is the what are the pros and cons of the product, right? So since it is not a USB rechargeable, so when I check it, I don't know, I go, okay, I'm gonna have to put the picture right over there. Okay, I'm gonna have to put that picture right over there. Okay, so that is the thermal, right? So you can check that in Temu, right? So before the before the item will gone in their database, right? So, okay, so that is one also, the problem of the Timo is because when the item is been sold out, so there's gonna be again, for the database, right? So important is the database because they use some programming language. It's because they use some programming language to make that, right? So to make their website like that. Okay, so that's a good one. It's a good one. So it's still good one. It's still a good still, right? It's still a good still for me to have this one. So got right here, right? So yes, we can like that one right there. So 27. Okay, so and it's also ice cut insulated and thermal water, thermal for coffee or hot water, or you can put some cold milk over here, and also hot chocolate, right? So this is a good one also for you to have it. So good for picnic, bike packing, camping. Either you are in work, you're in school, you are in if you want to go anywhere, right? So travel, best travel coffee mug right over here. Okay, so okay, so I think that's it for this vlog, right? And I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe and also click the notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, so stay tuned and thank you so much for watching. Okay.